So we have been talking about asking why in Te Reo Māori, and the simple why question is he aha ai. Although this is one of those things like uaua and kiaia where the vowels join together, they elide to form one sound. And so it's uaua and not ua ua, and it's kiaia, not kiaia. And the A at the end of kia and the O at the start of ora also join together or elide and become ao, and so we say kia ora and not kia ora. And so even though Y is written he aha I, you'll probably hear it said he ahai, with the two R sounds merging into one. He ahai, and it saves like a couple of milliseconds, which is like really handy if you're a really busy person. Anyway, so there are over a dozen ways to ask why in the present, and so far we have met two. He aha I, what has happened in the past to make something happen now, and he aha nei, what is happening in the present to cause something to happen now. However, I have to say it seems a little bit pedantic, a little bit kind of picky. Like, did the thing that caused you to cry happen in the past, or is it happening now? Like, does it really matter? Does anybody care? Maybe you do because you're crying. But maybe you just want to ask, why are you crying without worrying about when the cause of that thing happened, whether it's in the past? And so a third way to ask why is he aha te take e ana. So he aha te take e, then the verb, ana, and then the subject. For example, he aha te take e koro ana ia. Why is she talking? So he aha te take means what is the reason, and we have met e ana before as a subclause. So he aha te take e tangi ana koe. What is the reason for your crying? Or why are you crying? And this is probably the most common way to ask the question. He aha te take e koro ana te kaiako. Why is the teacher talking? He aha te take e waiata ana a rangi. Why is rangi singing? He aha te take e moi ana te pepe. Why is the baby sleeping? Which is like a stupid question, because that's what babies do. So, like, of course the baby's sleeping. Stop asking stupid questions.